Mastering would for past habits. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of English grammar and focusing on an important topic that often stumps language learners: using would for expressing past habits. This understanding is crucial for mastering the English language, and we're here to make it simple and fun. So let's get started. To understand would, let's clarify that it's a modal verb. In the context of past habits, would describes something that happened regularly in the past but doesn't happen anymore. For example, let's take this sentence. When I was a child, I would go fishing with my grandfather every summer. This tells us about a regular past event or habit that no longer takes place. Now, let's look at how to form sentences using would. The basic structure is fairly simple. Subject plus would plus base form of verb plus rest of sentence. In our previous example, the subject is I would is our modal verb, go is the base form of the verb, and fishing with my grandfather every summer is the rest of the sentence. Remember, would is always followed by the base form of the verb, regardless of the subject. There are some common pitfalls and exceptions when using would to express past habits. First, we don't use would to talk about past states or past singular events. For example, we don't say, when I was a child, I would be shy. Instead, we say, when I was a child, I was shy. Second, would cannot be used with stative verbs such as believe, know, like, love, etc. We don't say, I would know him for years, but instead say, I knew him for years. Finally, we don't use would when specifying a certain time in the past. We don't say, I would visit Paris last year, but instead say, I visited Paris last year. Now that you understand the basic rules, it's time to practice. The more you practice forming sentences with would, the better you'll become at using it correctly. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Try forming your own sentences using would to describe past habits. Write them down, say them out loud, and feel free to share your sentences with us in the comments below. There you have it. We hope that this video has made using would to express past habits a bit clearer. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be using would like a pro. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy learning, everyone. Remember, grammar is not a monster. It's just a friendly tool to express your thoughts more accurately. See you in our next video.